2018 Toyota CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design makes it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, front reading lamps, rear window wiper, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.